Hi everyone. Today we're going to be finding a specified term of a geometric sequence. In our example that we're going to be doing, we've got a geometric sequence. As you can see, it's 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. And we are being asked to find the 15th term of this sequence. First of all, let's talk about what a geometric sequence is. Let's look at our example. Our example starts with the number 4. And then, as you can see, we are multiplying 4 by something to get 8. In this case, the number we're multiplying by is 2. And then we take the 8 and we multiply it again by the same number 2 to get 16. And we multiply by 2 again to get 32, and times 2 again to get 64, and so on and so on and so on. And that's what a geometric sequence is. It's a sequence of numbers where you start with any number you want, and then you keep multiplying it over and over again by the same number, in this case 2, to keep getting more and more terms. And you can keep doing that forever. Um, First of all, let us talk about the formula that we're going to be using. I'll write it down over here in red. Here's the formula. Gn equals a bracket r to the power of n minus 1. So write that formula down because you're going to need it. And let me talk about what each of the letters in this formula means. A is the first term. So in our example, A is 4 because that's the first term in the sequence. R is the common ratio. The R stands for ratio, which is the first letter in the word ratio. In this case, in our example, the number that we keep multiplying by every time to get the next number is 2. So our R in this question is 2. The only two letters remaining are N and Tn. A lot of people get confused between these two, so let me explain what they are. N is the position of any given term. So in our example, the 4, the first number you see, that's position number 1 because it's the first term in the sequence. The 8 is position number 2. So let me write that down. 1, 2. The 16 is position number 3. The 32 is position number 4. And the 64 is position number 5, and so on and so on. And we're being asked to find, we're being asked to keep going and to tell them what the 15th term is going to be, and that's going to be somewhere over there. So n is the actual term in position m, position n. So in our question, the position of the term we're being asked to find is the 15th position. So n, which we also know, is the 15th term. The only thing we don't know in this case is the actual term itself, t15. And so I'm going to put a box there to represent that that's the thing we're looking for in this question. Let's write the formula out here again. And now let's plug in the three numbers we know, the 4, the 2, and the 15, into the letters A and R and N, respectively. So T15, the A is 4, the R is 2, and the N 15. Okay. Following bedmass order, a lot of people make the mistake of multiplying the 4 times the 2 first. We can't do that because that's a multiplication. And this 2 to the power of 15 minus 1, that's an exponent. And that exponent has to be done first before the multiplication. So the 4 has to wait its turn. In fact, even the 2 has to wait its turn. 15 minus 1 is going to be 14. Again, the 4 has to wait its turn. And 2 to the power of 14 is going to be, let's use my calculator, it's going to be 16,314. 384, sorry, 16,384. And if you multiply that by 4 to get our final answer, it's going to be 65,536. And that's our answer. That's how we use the geometric sequence formula, Tn equals a times r to the power of n minus 1, to find any term, any specified term of a geometric sequence. You just have to find out what a and r are and plug that into the equation. plug in the n number we're looking for, and then just basically let your calculator do the work over here. That's all basically calculator work. And then we get our answer, 65,536 at the end. If you found the explanation in this video helpful, please click the like button and let us know in the comments. And also click the subscribe button too, because subscribers get a perk where they get to send in their questions to us. And if we haven't already covered your question, we may create a video on our channel with the solution to your question. So go ahead and subscribe and send us your question to solve right now. It's like having your own personal math tutor for free. You can send your questions in the comments or through our website. We've included a link in the description below where you can send us your question. Thanks for watching. Bye.